So what's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix menu bar bug and the reason behind it. And if you missed my last video in which I talk about macOS Big Sur Beta 1 bugs, then after finishing this video, you can go to the I button on the right top corner of this video. Now let's talk about this menu bar bug. Let's begin. So after installing the beta version of macOS Big Sur, I started trying out all new features and changes made in macOS, and somehow Control Center and other icons except Siri disappeared from my menu bar. So as you see on my screen, it's not there. Only Siri icon is available. What you need to do is go to System Preferences, then go to User and Groups. Select Login Options and turn off Fast User Switching, that is last option. And that's it. Every icon will be back on menu bar. Now you know what was the reason behind this. So I would suggest to turn off the fast user switching toggle from the control center by going to system preferences, select dock and menu bar and turn off the fast user switching. And that's it. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe our channel for more informational videos like this.